how to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Books. So in order to do that, we'll be using Zapier, this platform here. If you don't have an account, just create your own. And then next is we'll need to click on create right here. Then click on Zaps. Then as you can see, you'll see trigger and action. First, we need to click on trigger. Then search for Zoho CRM. Click on Zoho CRM, and then of course we'll need to choose the trigger event. So just pick any of the options here that you want to use for the trigger, and then for example we use new contact, and then just sign into your account. Next is the action. Of course we'll be typing here Zoho Books. Of course we're going to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Books. So click on Zoho Books, and then we'll need to choose the action event here and click any of the options here. Just choose one that you'll use. For example, I'll be using Great Customer, and then just like Zoho CRM, you'll just need to sign into your Zoho Books. Then after that, you'll just need to click on Publish here. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.